It's a bright sunny day, but it's still really cold down here. Maybe tomorrow will be better. Alright, here we go. 45th day, first video. And I had told you that I'm going to split my days into first grammar, traditional grammar, and then the chronological survey. Alright, here we go with some traditional grammar. And I think I'm going to have 3 videos today. I find I'm excited about teaching traditional grammar. It's 2 things that occurred to me about starting this up. One is that German expression, aller Anfang ist schwer. Now that might be right this time. That's the way I first learned it. All beginnings are heavy. I could maybe go on a little bit about whether should it be aller Anfangen sind schwer. I first learned it the first way. Well, in any case, this is a beginning. It's exciting for me because I like to teach the subject. All right, but anyway, we're not going to start in morphology. We're going to start back in linguistics, 8 something. That's a section of your notes, and I had told you that the bare necessities of grammar are those 8 parts of speech. You really need to know what they are. Well, I'll add to that you also need to be able to test a word to figure out what part of speech is it. So I'm going to say this is bare necessities continued. If you're taking notes, I would find where you wrote down the definitions of the 8 parts of speech. Maybe put a wavy line underneath them and go on and then write down test for and henceforth TF, test for. It makes it quicker because I'm going to say that quite a few times. Test for the 8 parts of speech and henceforth POSP, parts of speech. I don't know if I'll use that abbreviation a lot or not, but there it is. I've got it. All right, first of all, a test for a noun. You have a word, you wonder, is this a noun? Well, does it name anything? A noun is a word that names. Does it name anything? And if you say, well, yes, good. Well, it's probably a noun. But there's a catch to that. It could also possibly be a pronoun. If I say I am talking, it would seem that I is naming something. No, it's not. It's taking the place of Frank Antonsen. So, does it name anything? Is it a pronoun? And if it passes that, well, you've got a noun there. Number 2, test for a verb. Does it change with time? Now, it's so tempting to put this in the definition of a verb. Verbs are the one part of speech that are very much influenced by time. So I go on to say, does it work in, and here's a little formula that you should learn to run by. Today I blank, yesterday I blank, I have blank. Does it work in that? Today I sing, yesterday I sang, I have sung. Yes, it works in that. Well, it's a verb. I have an ulterior motive for giving you that formula, which I'll tell you about later on. All right. How about an adjective? Test for an adjective. I guess I'd have a period there. Test for an adjective. Does it ask or answer one of these 5 questions? What kind of? How many? How much? Whose? Or which one? Adjectives will normally answer or ask one of those 5 questions, mostly answer. A test for an adverb. The word in question, is it an adverb? Well, once again, does it ask or answer one of these 4 questions? How, when, where, or why? Mostly adverbs will answer one of those 4 questions. Okay, I'm going to go on with the rest of the 8 parts of speech in the grammar section, and then I'll turn to the chronological survey. So look for 2 more videos today.